Hey guys, just Brody here again. Just a quick refresh video for all the guys that are stepping into NHL ownership and management this season. Just a few things I wanted to show you. So, three tabs open up here quickly. So, first one, let's go to our management tab, front office. So just be aware that this is where you're gonna do your call ups, send down, so on and so forth. Your trade managers here as well. Your add player feature, don't use this unless given permission by me to use it. This is where your guys, you can change their numbers, send a guy down, blah, blah, blah. There's no waiver button here, just keep that in mind. So just put someone on waivers, all you have to do is just send them down. The buyout feature too is it's going to be a restriction built in the Constitution that you're only allowed to buy players out during the off season. So just keep that in mind as well too. So that's just basic stuff for the management tools. For call-ups, just remember you have access to your AHL team as well too. So do a call from the AHL. You have to go to your AHL management tools. And then front office again. Same sort of feature here. It's just you got to use your send button. Just keep in mind that if you're using it, you click the send button, you click OK. You have two options here. If it's a full-time call-up, the person's replacing no one. But just keep in mind that if it's a temporary call-up, say Jay's going on IR, and you're calling this player up to replace Jay who's going on IR, you have to do this. And the reason why you do this is it marks in the system that says that the player that is being sent up is temporary. So when you go to return the player doesn't go on waivers. So just make sure that happens every time. That just gives you the ability to send a player through bypassing the waiver system because they're just a temporary call-up. Other thing too is NHL managers may have access to this as well too for call-ups and send-downs. Just make sure that the NHL managers, GMs and AGMs, you don't make any trades in the NHL. You're ineligible to do so. Next thing I want to show you quick is just the management office. They're all pretty used to this as well. The management procedures is just a quick they're quick how-to threads. They're just all picture guided oriented. So if you have any need to reference something, you have any quick questions, this is a place to come. It's got everything you really need in here too. Of course, if you read something here and you're not really sure, you don't understand afterwards, send us a PM. We'll be able to help you as well. But just make sure you reference these once in a while too. And the final thing I wanted to just touch on quickly is just replying to PMs and such. So the top button up here, it says reply to all. That's built in the mobile app as well too. So when we're having conversations and stuff in regards to what's going on, the people that are CC'd on the message need to be CC'd, of course. So you want all the staff members who are supposed to be pertinent to the message to be included every single time. So be sure that every single time you're replying to these, click reply all. Because when you click reply all, as you can see, it automatically generates who's going to be in those fields too for the message that's being sent. The other thing to keep in mind is use the quick tools too. So if you click, if you're NHL and you're looking at if you click the NHL, this gives you these are the guys responsible for the NHL. These are the guys responsible for the AHL. These are the guys for the CHL, that which needs to be updated, and the commissioners as well too. So just you can use these quick buttons to message people whoever you're required to talk to. So just keep that in mind when sending PMs. It just makes our life a lot easier when we're trying to reply to your questions and keep everyone in the loop who needs to be kept in the loop. So those are just the basics. Just keep all that in mind when the season starts up. Of course, if you have any questions or concerns or comments, just send us a PM because we'll be able to handle things as best as we can. So give us a quick review and good luck during the season and good luck during bidding.